Hello world! Welcome to English 10-Minute Survival, your 10-minute guide to speaking English confidently.
Hi everyone! If you are a beginner and you feel scared to speak, you are in the right place.
Today we conquer the supermarket. No more walking in circles. We talk, we find, we buy. Let's get started. Phrase number 1. Excuse me, where is the... Use this to find anything.
So if I need bread, I say, "Excuse me, where is the bread?"
Perfect. Where is the is your key. Phrase number 2. How much is this? To ask for the price.
What if the price is a difficult number, like $19.95?
Great question. Forget the word dollars. Just say the two numbers, 19.95. It's faster and natural.
Got it, $19.95.
Phrase number 3. Can I pay by card? Card means credit or debit. If you have paper money, say cash. Now, repeat after me. I will speak slowly, then at a normal speed. Excuse me, where is the rice?
Excuse me, where is the rice?
Where's the rice?
Where's the rice?
Now let's practice. I am the staff. You are the shopper. Hello. Do you need help?
Excuse me, where is the milk?
It's in aisle 4.
How much is this?
It's $5.50.
Can I pay by card?
Yes, of course. Let's review the survival words from today. Aisle, the path between shelves. Section, a specific area, e.g., produce section for fruits. Checkout, the place where you pay. Receipt, the paper showing what you paid. Now it's your turn. We have a small quiz for you. Look at the screen. You will see 3 situations. Write your answers in the comments below. Question 1. You need to find apples. What do you say? A. I want apples. B. Excuse me, where is the apples? Question 2. The price tag says $12.50. How do you say it naturally? A. $12.50. B. 1250. Question 3. You have a Visa card. What do you ask at the checkout? A. Can I pay by cash? B. Can I pay by card? Comment your answers, 1A, 2B, or 3C. We will check and heart the correct ones. Subscribe for our next lesson, The Train Station. See you next time.